Yes guys, daily vlogs of Videsh. Happy Saturday. So we wake up early. We actually wake up about 8 o'clock and we now leave home at like 10 o'clock. And we're gonna get the car clean. The car very dirty. And me, I carry Anya in the shop. We eating all dessert before breakfast. We haven't had breakfast as yet. So hopefully I have all doubles on the way. So I bought a piece of sponge cake at our shop. And Anya having a chili ball for dessert before breakfast. Dry. Well dry. I normally buy sponge cake from the place, but it normally be just dry. I don't know if it's older. I can't eat it up. Too dry. Real dry. I normally buy from them and it was good. Not today. So I went to the car wash. I always go to this car wash because I find they do a good job and they pass. I think I did a daily vlog with this already. I'm not sure. Anya, say hello. So the plan is I now pump up some air on the tire. I already did that. And we're going to get the car clean. I have a double stain that bothered me. And this is a 7-seater. I will show you all the car wash. I will tell you how much I pay, right? Because remember when you have 4 kids, the car just be extra dirty, especially when they're eating constantly in the car. So you always have like crumbs all over and stain. They love to stain up everywhere. I don't know how come, like chocolate and little one thing nothing to do. So I just take a different package, just get all extra clean. That package, there is more go into detail in the cleaning, right? So I like this car wash. There's like 4 people washing, 4 people drying the car, and about 4 people vacuuming your car. So I will give you all the time that I forget the car wash name right now. So when we reach close to the car wash, I'll tell the car wash name. But I'm gonna give you all the exact time I reach by the car wash. I want to tell you guys how much cars I have in front of me. And I'll give you all the time that I leave the car wash. And then I personally will give them out of 10. This how the video goes. We at West Roundabout. We now passing ABC Home Center right around the roundabout. If you never went to ABC Home Center, that's like an all-in-one place. So the one side been there, and I find it's a nice store. They have plumbing stuff, a paint for your house, chair, pot. I don't know, them just have everything. A little bit of everything. So it's a nice place. I went there and bought office chair too. They have all that. Well, that's not a while ago. Taking you on for the drive to the car wash. Right now this truck driving very, very slow, which is not a too bad thing. But I'm going to take him over. You have a load, you understand that. And he's driving in the correct lane, right? I have no problem with trucks driving slow or old people driving slow on the left lane. I have no problem with that. It's when you want to do it on the right lane, I have a problem. So take your time, but just stay on the left. That's what the left is for. This is the Wrangwest roundabout, I think. So but it's the other roundabout we now pass. That's the one on the highway to come on to this one. So as we just found about, you're taking a left. Did I take the correct one? I took the wrong road. Oh my God. Guys, I took the wrong road. I started to talk and I take the wrong road. And it's your fault.
No.
I started to talk and I took the wrong road. And I don't make a big wrongs now. My God, Father, Lord. If you see this big wrongs I've taken to reach back on the highway, my God. People will be laughing at me. I took the left right by the roundabout. This was a pass the roundabout and go straight until the next left. Now I go quite by Mountain. This is a real big wrong turn. Because I want to talk. You want to talk with this. So I find these days they're real killing business people. Especially from south. See they kill a man down in there, babe. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know. So guys, we're going to go quite very long too. So I don't know the plans today. All I know I want to have this car clean. When the car dirty, it's bother me plenty. So the car is part of me, you know, so it's bother me. I mean, I'll leave it dirty for a while, but I make sure when I get it clean, I get it damn good clean. But the plan is to cook the cassava from the last daily vlogs. So after the car wash, I need to get doubles, right? And I need to get a fish, because Leah said she couldn't eat fish and cassava. So maybe some curry fish and cassava fried. That might be the meal there. Sounds like a good meal. And I want to spend some time in the yard a little bit of time. I have some plants I want to plant over. So I real good wrongs, you know. Yeah, I don't make the wrongs, and I could have go down, bike it on and turn, or I could turn by Grand Bazaar. I just choose Grand Bazaar. The two might be the same distance. Wait 50 minutes of my life. I reach home 15 minutes early. I will talking for like 8 minutes. I'll big up my girl. Today's Sarah Mano's birthday. Happy birthday. I remember. Happy birthday. Hope you're having a great birthday. One of the coolest models. She really can't believe I said that. Oh God. So I had Grand Bazaar flyover. Beautiful Grand Bazaar flyover. I talk with her till I read the car wash. Talking like with friends. Anything I see, the road real dirty. Real dirty, right? First thing. Grand Bazaar, then full of people, 10 o'clock. It's mountain. So, everybody buying a grocery. Everybody got money. That's one thing in Trinidad, eh? You must know when it's mountain. Everybody buying groceries, everybody liming. And then you just know, one of the last week of the month, it's quiet. It's when you hear the song of silence. And I understand why, because majority of people in Trinidad they work for enough money to last for the month. When they examine them and wage by. You know, people that survive. What this man doing? He reversing. I don't know what he doing, but whatever he doing, I moving for me. He climbing up pavement landing, I never. Since he tilt. So you buy Tony's Spring Cool air condition. I guess Tony is very popular. Tony have a lot of cars outside. So it had to be good. But if it's your air condition man and you have one car for the day and next car, something wrong. Right guys? See plenty cars pack up, you know you had to be good. So guys, the street you're seeing here in Bamboo, I used to live in the street. My father built a house in this street. There's a street right behind Grandma's. I had very, very, very good memories. Very good memories of living here. The street, we were actually first people to build a concrete house on the street. Everybody was just old board house. And on the street, we were almost the first people to have pipe-borne water. So in the daytime, we used to use the water, and in night time, we used to allow the villagers and them to come and fill as much water. In the evening time, and mommy don't do much stuff for them. They used to come and take as much water as they want. But we used to live there. We lived there for a good while, maybe about 10 years. We built a nice house. We had 2 lots of land, real thing planted up in the back of the house. It was nice. I had nice little friends and then from the area. Plenty of them then had no TV, and they used to come by and watch TV and things, so it used to be fun. We used to play in the back of the yard, and I remember them. Some of them still live in there. I met them a little while ago, a couple of years ago. So I'm making about these first rounds, guys. The Bamboo used to be fun. Long time. My dad had a big Maxi. And he always had excursion on the weekend. Always. Because people really like him. He went best driver in Trinidad and Tobago on the East West maybe twice. He was on papers and stuff. I should find the article. I should my mother have the article. I was in the picture too. I stayed home from school because even the collective prize, it wasn't a big prize. It was just like 2K a while and 500 in cash. Even first place. And he used to be excursion most of the time, Saturday and Sunday. He had a big Maxi here. They call him Bull. We have people say him, mostly from all over Trinidad, they say him, but yes, we have people say him from around Wales, especially. And when you go on excursion, I just meet my mother, sisters, and then Cindy, and my auntie Momi from England. She was in a couple of videos. And then my auntie Linda, like my mother's sister, she living in the US. 3 of them used to come by me like on a Saturday or a Sunday, and they would bring a little cheese, a little vegetables, and we said let's relax and make pizza, and that used to be fun. That was a long time line. Every time they come, we say just to make pizza. I don't know why. We said never really. I can't remember we Korean and thing. I always remember pizza. And that time we happy for pizza. That was some good old days. That could be like about 30 years ago I'm talking about. And since then I must be happy because them get away from them father. And that time my father strict too, so we happy he go on excursion. So it's party. And they still come traveling when they're done. When they finish, if they go home early, they will travel home, or if daddy be true, daddy will drop them. The Bamboo was nice. They used to call the Bamboo number 3. But when I used to live there, they used to call it Jackass Village. I don't know if they still call it that name, but That was the name long time. Everybody knew it as Jackass Village. I don't know why. I think it had a lot of jackass living there. Me included. But I was 10, so I thought I was a jackass. So guys, look the drive. I took a left by the roundabout. I started to drive straight down, past the roundabout, and then make a left. And here, very quiet in the back there, baby. I give him a story about bamboo. Otherwise, all I would have been living in bamboo. And how we managed to leave bamboo is because where we living now, that old man used to live there. And the family and them like they didn't want to live there. So when he died, they decided to sell the place. And my mother, we done our house, nice house, 2 lots of land and bamboo there, everything on point. My mother wanted to go and live close to she family. Because that was literally next door to she family. So daddy now had to sell. I said, my father was strict. But I don't know how certain things he said, listen to my mother. Right, so he sell the house, so he done build. And we buy the place next to she mother. And now we end up living there. And that's the plan. That's some part of the story. So, we're coming up to the car wash, guys. Right? And excited. Oh my god, I'm gonna be wrong. I know I'm gonna be wrong corner straight down. But the car wash ball is kinda like opposite the gas station, but on the other side around West. You see this road is a tie-up road, Lord. What is a tie-up road there? So it's looking like you have a good bit of cars, guys. A good bit. But it's move fast, so I'm not worried. Coops. Yeah, man. Mr. Coops. Oh, boy. What is this car doing? Drive around. I'm excited. So, guys, we're driving in at 10:21. That is when we're driving in. So, I want to check my cars in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cars. Guys, so that's 16 cars in front of us. But if they're doing it on 2 sides, it don't matter. I just saying that's 16 cars, right? So it's 10:22 right now. I will pause the video for a bit, stop the video for a bit, and so you see how long it take to come out of this car wash. You excited, Anya? Excited? See how it goes, guys. Alright. Inside and out is a 7-seater. I'm wrong. What's the difference? With everything. I mean, the last one is spray and wax with all the door. How much for that one?
180.
Alright, yeah. How you just know they're spraying on the wax? How you just know when they're spraying on the wax?
When they finish, they will wash. They will put the wax chemical onto the
So that is right after the wash. When they done, not when they dry it. After the wash, they do that and then dry. Alright, that's what I'll call for that now. Yeah. So guys, I don't come that often to clean my vehicles. So anytime I come to clean my vehicles, I just go with the 180, right? But it is expensive, but it's a 7-seater too, and 180 is for a thorough clean, inside out, Amaral, whatever this. I don't know what's going on here. All kind of craziness. Somebody wanted to come out the line like they find taking too long. Yeah, so what I took is the 180, right? 180 package. For 7-seater, the standard I think is 130. Then they have a 150 package where they normal inside out Amaral, but they clean all your door jams and they get a kind of more thorough cleaner, you know, like all in between the knob that is raised up the window. There's more go in depth, right? And then it have the 180 which I took. That is all of the above, plus they will spray it with a wax coating, right? I personally don't know how effective that wax coating is, but I'm just trying to give my baby a all out clean, right? So that was 10:21. We enter the car wash is 10:36. So it moving decent. I don't know why the man tell me come in this lane and that lane moving faster. So we'll see how it goes. We wait for the foam. I'm gonna get a little quick look how the inside looking.
It's Father must return.
So this is some rubbish on the ground. This is dirty guys. There's some doubles fall long day before yesterday. I didn't have anything wiped up on it dry up. Right, this is the dashboard. Glass kind of real dirty. Trust me, the car dirty. Alright guys. So you check it out after. And Anya?
I can't wait to see the car.
But you should be all over. But you should be all over guys. Right, the back kind of clear.
Yeah,
The back seat well dirty, but we'll see how it goes. That's what's going on right now. Plenty workers, big operation. Let's see in the real operation. I try to tell the camera as much as I could. Like just one side, two sides. They're moving fast. Wait for our turn. Let's drive up.
finally.
Return. And you like it? Huh?
Yeah.
Exciting guys. This is the fun part, Anya. This is the fun part. Yeah. Fun part. You like that? Let me show my glass up. Guys, me and Anya having a little ball. Anya, one hello. So this is fun in the car wash. As you wake up, just brush your teeth on. I'm excited and I'm hungry. I feel like I could buy lunch one time, yes? What do you think?
Okay.
We'll get some lunch immediately, I think. I'll walk some other when I leave. So I may get back to this foam party. This will be the wax. This is the wax. So that, guys, that is the wax coating. I think it helps, and I'm not sure, I think it just helps like when the rain fall, the water will slide, I don't know. Less stains on your vehicle. Let's drive forward. Time for the dry down, guys. Great little guys, says 10:21. We reach in here and that 16 cars in front is actually 10:44, so not that bad. And in the comfort of your car, you stand down, gotta come out. And then when I come out, it's gonna clean the inside. Once I was 20 years old. That's it, guys, we are all dried up. I don't know which vehicle will finish first. I guess I'll go behind the SUV. And that one. Alright. So I guess they almost finished with that car. We're not moving bad at all. It moves faster than you?
Yeah.
So guys, we finish. I'll give you the time just now. You have a final. So this is like while you're driving, you want to drain anyway, they'll check by the glass. They'll put the armor on the tire. This is up when you're leaving. I'll show you guys the inside. I'm showing you the dashboard. I don't like to advertise my car too much. So this is the after. And if I remember the before, double stain gone. Seats looking nice, gun looking good. Top A line. The outside even better. Beautiful. Maybe for the last checkpoint. So guys, I just came in a bad timing because right now the line just have like four or five vehicles. So I just came in a bad timing, but still get through. I find fast. Achille. Yeah.
Record on the iPad.
I good.
Thank you.
Yep.
I got the recording.
So yes guys, that's it. So we had 16 cars in front of us. I came in at 10:21 and it's still very punishable. And the time is 11:23. So we took an hour and 2 minutes with 16 cars in front of us. So I think that was pretty fast for a busy day. And you see how the ending that they did the final like inspection, they just pass around, take a ride, they put your armor on your tires, and they get a survey to fill out. Nothing big. That's just rank it's just like ranking, like out of 10, what was the service, simple things. But that was good. So I was going to buy a fish. Leah called and said she wanted to go in the plant store. So I just want to forget about the fish for now. I just want to see if I get doubles. Because none of you can eat yet. And pick up Leah and them and carry them in the plant store. Because I think the plant store is close to me. So you know I'll carry you guys to the plant store. Boring life of village. So you see why we partying hard? It's because the real work before him. Go free line down all day and then partying in the night. There's space all day and we're ready to get them in the night, we clean them good. So we're going to find a doubles person somewhere anyway. No matter, I just want to find a doubles person. Akele. I know we are in some of the a long time by. Dun, 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 dun. I'll find that song on YouTube. I don't even know the name song. I just saw it on TikTok. Musty, I don't know it, but. I want to see if I find that song on YouTube and play it back. So guys, I reach home. I went and get the doubles. I just want to take a quick party doubles. It's a different place I buy these doubles. So you know, be kind of skeptical when you buy a different doubles because you never know how it's gonna be. But when your time limited, you just buy from anywhere. I don't need to do that like in my area. Like my area, I know the good doubles, so definitely doubles, but you never know. You never know. First time I'm trying it. And the barrel nice and not a nice barrel. Looking good. I feel one side pepper. Looking like I can't see no pepper. I'm taste it. Not bad. Decent doubles. Decent. It's not hot. It's slightly warm. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. We're going to get them chewing the food and then we head to the plant shop. You like the plant shop? Yeah. So I'm in the plant shop right on the highway. Orangwell somewhere there. Plenty plants. Yeah, you can walk in between. So are you enjoying yourself in the hot sun? So we have some pretty here. I thought she nice. This is the whole excited the plant. Fully excited the plant. Yeah. So guys, we now finished buy some plants. We're going to next plant shop here. So I bought a honey. So guys, I bought a honey straw. Check it out. But you can see $6 for honey straw. Anybody want to taste the honey straw? I'm going to the honey straw.
I don't like it.
Really? Some real top of honey.
Wait, what's that dress for?
Want it, Mama? Want it?
I want this. I want this.
No, Regan. Want a boost of energy, guys? Try honey straw. I think it's amazing. Okay, put it in the mouth. You good? In the TNT bar in San Agustin. Super excited. Years haven't been here. Mojito. Good. Okay. So guys, the place out dark, we eating some food. I will talk to you guys after in the car about it. We can have the price. So guys, I'm in the case a little bit in the play park after we eat some Chinese food. The food at TNT was good. I can't say it's the most fabulous food you ever taste, but it was satisfying. The bill came up $4.97, and that what we took. We just had 2 mojitos, 3 cokes, a bottle of water, a dozen of fried shrimp wonton, Hong Kong tofu, a portion of fried shrimp, portion of roast pork, a portion of chop pork, noodles and rice, and 2 spring roll, a chicken and a veggie. So the bill wasn't that bad. So I think this is the end of daily vlogs, guys. And we out. Bye bye.
Might go check out my butts.
And you're gonna try the monkey bar. Nobody can do the monkey bar. Sorry, disappoint me. Go ahead, Anya. Take your time. One hand at a time. Right. Again, baby. Alright, going good. You're almost there. Go again. One hand at a time. One hand at a time. Good, baby. You go. Yeah, go try. Right, go. Go sorry, right. You do it fast today. You can't go slow. You do it fast. Good. Do it fast. Do it fast. You're good.